What if your crypto could stay rock steady while others roller coaster? What if you could use it like cash or earn yields from it? In the next 10 minutes, we're diving deep into what stablecoins are, how are they useful, why some stablecoins failed, spectacularly wiping $40 billion in the past, how can you stay safe, and what the future holds for us. Stick with us to uncover the truth. What are stablecoins?
Picture the crypto market as a wild, stormy sea, waves of Bitcoin and Ethereum crashing unpredictably. Now, imagine a lighthouse standing tall, unshaken by the chaos. That's the magic of stablecoins. These are digital currencies designed to stay steady by tethering their value to assets like the US dollar, often backed by reserves. Popular stablecoin names today include Tether, known as USDT, and USD Coin, known as USDC. Think of them as the calm captain in a stormy ship, ensuring you're not tossed overboard by volatility. But how did this lighthouse get built? Let's sail back in time next, where we'll uncover the fascinating history of stablecoins. Don't miss the voyage.
History of stablecoins.
Let's take a time machine back to 2014, when the crypto world was a frontier town, rough and uncharted. Enter USDT, the first stablecoin, like a pioneer planting a flag, promising to link the Wild West of crypto to the stability of the US dollar. It wasn't smooth sailing. Early critics called it a mirage, questioning its reserves. Some still do. But as Bitcoin's rollercoaster ride scared off investors, the idea took root. By 2018, USDC joined the party, backed by big names like Circle. This journey shaped today's $100 billion stablecoin market. Are you undying how people put these pioneers to work? Hold tight, we're diving into their use cases next.
Current and past use cases.
Imagine stablecoins as the unsung gardeners of the crypto garden, quietly nurturing growth. In the past, traders used them like lifeboats during Bitcoin's 2017 crash, avoiding the hassle of cashing out to fiat. Today, they're the lifeblood of DeFi. On Away, you can lend USDC and earn up to 5% yield, turning your stablecoins into a money-making tree. Then there's yield farming. Projects like Yearn Finance that let you stack USDT for even higher returns, like planting seeds in fertile soil. Visa and MasterCard have jumped in, offering debit cards backed by USDC. Imagine swiping stablecoins at your local store, with Crypto.com leading the charge. Remittances are revolutionizing too. PayPal now enables USDC transfers, cutting costs for a Filipino worker sending money home. Payment gateways like BitPay let small businesses accept USDT, converting it to fiat instantly. Think of a cafe owner in Texas using this daily. Meanwhile, XRP's RippleNet speeds up cross-border payments with its stablecoin-friendly ledger. Polygon powers low-cost DeFi with USDC on its network, and Arbitrum's Layer 2 scaling makes stablecoin transactions lightning fast. But not every garden blooms. Stay tuned to see why some stablecoins withered away.
Why some stablecoins failed. Every garden has its weeds, and stablecoins are no exception. Take TerraUSD, a bold experiment like a house of cards built on an algorithm, not reserves. In 2022, it collapsed like a Jenga tower, erasing $40 billion and leaving investors stunned. Then there's Yearn Finance, where a sudden bank run turned it into a ghost town overnight. But the failures don't stop there. Anchor Protocol, tied to Terra, promised 20% yields but crashed with its parent, leaving lenders empty-handed. And Basis Cash? It aimed to be a decentralized dollar, but failed in 2019 due to regulatory pressure, like a ship sinking under too much weight. I remember a friend who lost big on Terra, calling it a wake-up call. What about the big players today? Do they face the same storms? We'll navigate those risks next, so keep your life jacket on. Before we move on to the next segment, we want to give a shout out to Bitunix, one of the leading global exchanges that has supported us to promote Web3 education. Bitunix has grown to over 2 million users across 100 plus countries, now regularly clearing over $5 billion in daily volume. It is ranked among the top 20 global exchanges by CoinGecko Trust Score, thanks to its security architecture, asset transparency, and growing ecosystem. You might have seen Bitunix sponsoring various marquee industry conferences this year, such as Web3 Amsterdam, Token 2049 Dubai, and Paris Blockchain Week, and many more coming up. With advanced charting tools, 125x leverage, and verifiable proof of reserves, Bitunix has enabled an ecosystem tailored for high-volume traders and long-term builders. If you are one of them, check out the link in description for a lifetime discount code on your trading fees and more. Risks with leading stablecoin players.
Think of Tether and USDC as the titans of a bustling city. But even cities have their shadows. Back in 2018, Tether's value dipped to 95 cents for a few hours, sparking arbitrage trades where savvy investors bought low and sold high as Tether scrambled to restore the peg. USDC faced its own storm in 2023 when a bank crisis linked to Circle saw its value drop to 98 cents for days, with traders pouncing on the gap until stability returned. Tether's been under a microscope with rumors swirling about whether its dollar reserves are as solid as claimed. Imagine a bank vault with a few empty shelves. USDC, backed by Circle, ties to traditional banks, making it a target if those banks falter. Regulatory hawks are circling too, especially after Terra's fall. One trader I know worries about audits. Will they hold up? Curious how they compare to government alternatives? We'll explore that showdown next. Stay with us.
Comparison with CBDCs and government regulations.
Stablecoins and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are like cousins at a family reunion. Similar, but different. CBDCs are like a government-built highway, fully controlled and stable, while stablecoins are the winding backroads of decentralization. China's digital yuan pilot shows CBDCs in action, but stablecoins offer freedom until regulators step in. After Terra's crash, governments are drafting rules like traffic cops, eyeing audits and reserves. A banker friend says this could reshape finance. Ready to join the road trip and get your own stablecoins? We'll map that out next. Don't lose your way.
How to get stablecoins and store them.
Getting stablecoins is like unlocking a treasure chest. Start with an on-ramp. Platforms like Coinbase or Binance let you trade fiat for USDT or USDC as easy as buying a coffee. Once you've got them, store them in wallets like MetaMask, your digital safe, or a ledger, the vault under your mattress. Off-ramping, turning them back to cash, follows the same path. I helped a buddy set up his first wallet last month, and he was trading in hours. But what treasures lie ahead? We'll peek into the future next. Keep your map handy.
Future opportunities and possibilities.
Peering into the crystal ball, stablecoins are poised to transform finance like a rocket launch. They could streamline global remittances. Imagine sending money to family overseas instantly. DeFi might explode with new stablecoin-powered apps, and some predict they'll challenge banks head-on. A developer I met is building a stablecoin-based payment system for small businesses. With projects like PayPal's stablecoin rumors, the sky's the limit. Thanks for exploring this world with us. If you enjoyed the video, please encourage us with a like, a comment, or simply subscribe for more crypto adventures. Namaste.